Hi guys, welcome back to Country Cooking with Carly and Queen Kitty Gaming. Today we are making this super simple, so simple, 2-ingredient vanilla homemade ice cream. So I cannot wait to make this for you guys. I think it's going to turn out absolutely delicious and so much cheaper than buying it in the store. And really, it does not get much simpler. So let's get started. So first you're going to need 600 milliliters of heavy whipping cream or pure cream. Sometimes it's even called pouring cream. But yeah, if you can't find pouring cream, heavy whipping cream will do the trick, but it must be heavy whipping cream. So you just want to get a medium to large mixing bowl and you want to pour 600 milliliters of your heavy whipping cream, pure cream, or even sometimes, like I said, it's called pouring cream. Now literally all you have to do is get a hand mixer, a regular mixer, and you want to beat this until it becomes stiff. Now this ingredient is totally optional. That's why I'm still calling it 2-ingredient ice cream, because all you really need is your heavy whipping cream here, or pure cream, and your sweetened condensed milk. But you know me, I love flavor. So I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract just to give it that little extra kick, because I don't like anything tasting bland. I always want more flavor. So now we're just going to mix this until it becomes stiff. So the last and final step, so simple, is just to dump in your sweetened condensed milk. It's usually about 400 grams. This can is 396, which works totally fine. So we're just going to dump that in and fold it through. So again, you're just dumping your 400 grams or close to it, mine is 396, of sweetened condensed milk. And then we're just going to be folding over the heavy whipping cream or pure cream, whatever you could find. So now, guys and girls, you're just simply going to continue folding this over until it is all mixed through. It is as easy as that. 2 ingredients. Again, the vanilla extract is optional. So just continue folding this over. Once you're done, you're just going to pour it into an airtight container, or a few airtight containers. So I just continued to fold this over for a few minutes, and there you have it, guys and girls. It is done being prepared and ready to put in the airtight containers. And oh my goodness, I have to tell you, I just couldn't resist. I had to taste test a little bit of this to see what it's going to taste like, and oh my goodness, I honestly think it's like the best vanilla flavor I've ever tasted. This is going to be divine. It's going to be the best ice cream you ever ate in your life. I guarantee. After taste testing this, I can confidently say that to you. Okay, so this makes a really good amount of ice cream. We'll see exactly how much it makes once I get it all in here. But I did find a bigger container, which this is actually a pan, but I have a lid that makes it airtight. So yeah, typically you're gonna need with this amount, unless you have a few medium-sized airtight containers, I'd suggest getting a bigger one like this. Oh my gosh, guys, I tried one more bite. I couldn't help myself. It is so delicious. It's like the best vanilla flavor I've ever tasted. I think I'm going to get my spatula after this so I can get as much as humanly possible out of this bowl. Because believe me, my family is going to want seconds and thirds. I really don't think this is going to last very long. But that's a good thing, because that means it was delicious. Okay, guys and girls, so now we are just putting the lid on top. Again, you can use a few smaller airtight containers. This worked best for me since I have a lot here. You will too, using this amount. So Either 2 medium-sized airtight containers, or if you have a pan like this with a lid that goes on very securely on top, that works too. So you're going to want to freeze it for about 6 to 8 hours. If you want, you can always do it overnight. In my case, I think I will be leaving it in my freezer overnight, but 6 to 8 hours should suffice. It's just the waiting part that's hard. It's so hard. I mean, this stuff is literally delicious before it even turns into ice cream. Alright, so let me get this in my freezer before I eat any more of it. And I will see you guys later. So guys and girls, this sat in the fridge overnight. Again, you could just put it in an airtight container for 6 to 8 hours, but I would suggest overnight. Look at how beautiful this looks. I can't wait to take this out of the dish and try it for you guys. Just look at that. And the flavor was so delicious even before I put it in the pan. Again, I had an airtight pan because the lid goes on very securely. And it looks like it's set up perfectly. So let's get to taste testing this. Hi guys and girls, welcome back again to Country Cooking with Carly and Queen Kitty Gaming. I hope you enjoy watching me make this delicious 2-ingredient homemade vanilla ice cream. 3 ingredients actually if you want to add the vanilla, but totally optional. This was so simple, and guys, before I put this in the freezer last night, when I tried a few little bites, oh my goodness, it was divine. It was so delicious. It was like the best vanilla flavor I ever tried. So I know this is going to be delicious too. Don't mind the pregnant belly. I'm actually due in less than a month now, so definitely far along, and ice cream is the perfect treat for pregnant women, as you know, or anybody. So, and you can't beat homemade. You really can't beat this flavor. I mean, it was so delicious. Okay, enough talking. Let me try this because I can't wait any longer. Oh my goodness, guys. This is so divine. Same flavor as last night before you put it in the freezer, of course, but so much better now that it's actually ice cream. You cannot beat homemade. One more bite. Absolutely decadent. This tastes even better than, we used to have a ice cream shop nearby, and they handmade their ice cream, made it homemade, and that was delicious. But this tops every other ice cream I've ever tried. I guarantee this is your new favorite ice cream, and it's so much cheaper. Literally, you're using, they call it pouring cream or heavy whipping cream or pure cream, sweetened condensed milk, and then if you want to add the vanilla, you can also incorporate Oreos if you want to make it Oreo ice cream, or chocolate, whatever flavor you want to add. I love this just being vanilla though. Melts in your mouth. It's so creamy. It has the best vanilla flavor. I absolutely love this. I do have some maraschino cherries in my cabinet. And the place I was just talking about that makes the homemade ice cream, they're not open anymore, sadly, but I used to love their cherry sundaes, and they told me their secret was they would just pour a can of the maraschino cherries you buy into a blender, and they would blend that up. Just put that on top of their handmade vanilla ice cream, a little whipped cream, and it was the best cherry sundae ever. So this is going to be even better. I think I'm going to go ahead and add those maraschino cherries and some whipped cream later for just a different flavor. But this alone, absolutely delicious. It's like a party in your mouth. It is so good. I really hope you give us a try. Thank you all again for all your support so far on my cooking channel. This is only video number 14. So slowly but surely getting a good collection of videos, but I appreciate all your support so far. Couldn't do it without you guys. So thank you so much. If you've liked, subscribed, hit your notifications, I appreciate everything. Don't forget to do that again, and I will see you in the next cooking video. Bye.